We are on day 4 of our Carnival Mardi Gras cruise with Autism on the Seas. Today's our second sea day. We were in Nassau yesterday, and today's our sea day, which means it's a busy work day for us. So we're going to start off with breakfast in the buffet where we always
Lido Marketplace.
Yep. We will probably be getting, what is it called? Lucky Charms.
Yes.
They've
been so good.
Yeah, we've also would never buy those for ourselves, and the buffet is actually not our favorite. So that's a good little treat. And then we have Splash Pad, and we also have Bolt. We have it reserved for a half an hour, maybe an hour for our kids, which is awesome. So hopefully some of them want to ride. That's the roller coaster on board. So I'll definitely get some good clips of that.
And then instead of the pool this morning, we're actually going to the Splash Pad. And there's water slides there as well. So I'm really excited for the kids to have a great morning, and then different plans for lunch today.
Yeah.
Rachel's actually going to the main dining room for, I think it's called Brunch, so I'm not sure what the menu will be like, so Rachel will have to insert
I will definitely get some clips of that. Some families will join us there.
Yes. And then I'm headed to the Lido Marketplace for the families that didn't want to join for brunch, so we'll both be doing different things, and then a full day of respite and dinner and respite again.
And maybe shows and lots. So stick around, and if you have not already, please be sure to like and subscribe, because we are sharing our honest thoughts of Carnival Cruise Line. If you have not watched our previous ones, it's been a long time. We are very impressed, I will say that. There's definitely some things that we prefer on Royal. But honestly, it's been a good cruise.
It has been good.
Yeah, so let's go to get some breakfast.
I'm surprised we have this much energy for like 7:30 a.m., but
it's just overtired at this point.
Yes,
but
that's true.
Coffee time.
Let's go.
Okay, Shack's Chicken opens at 8 for breakfast, and look at this, no line. I'm gonna see what they have. Shack's Chicken is open actually for breakfast from 7 to 9, so we're gonna give this a try. Yeah, I'm gonna have a bite.
Breakfast is now over. I'm just waiting here for our families to show up to the Splash Pad. We will be here from 9 to 10:30, enjoying the Splash Pad, and we also have a private session on the Bolt, which is that roller coaster there, which I believe Rach will be going there this morning with our families as well.
Wow, here's Bolt. Look at all. It's like a theme park with waiting in line for the roller coaster. Okay, so Bolt is usually $15, but it looks like right now they have a deal. So that's awesome. I wasn't able to ride it today. I was helping out some kids, but the kids that did ride it loved it. It honestly goes a lot faster than I thought. But that is a nice perk on a cruise ship. It's hard to believe some of these things are on cruise ships.
Miranda.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Off to find somewhere to hang out for a little while.
Catch up on Instagram.
Oh shoot, I forgot my external hard drive to edit. Back I go.
When you're currently on a cruise and still have to finish editing the last cruise.
This is Scarlet Night on Virgin Voyages.
Ooh.
Literally my favorite night of the whole cruise. Yes, I can't hear how loud I'm talking. But anyways.
Oh yeah, you have headphones in.
My favorite night of the entire cruise, so I'm really excited to edit this video. And if you are interested in Virgin Voyages, then check out our transatlantic cruise vlogs and message me if you're interested in booking a cruise.
As we're currently on Carnival.
Yes.
Also, or if you're interested in Carnival,
message me if you're interested in any cruise line.
Any cruise line. I'm about to head off and go meet some families for brunch, and I'm gonna leave Jillian here, and you have to get the video done in an hour.
I have about 30 minutes left here before I have to head.
Oh, okay. You might be okay. We're gonna get this video up on Saturday. Hopefully. So it'll be well up before you are watching this, obviously. So go check that one out. Our section, we are hosting a little brunch at 11:30, so we're just gonna wait for some families to show up, and then Jillian is also upstairs in the buffet. So families have two options today, brunch or buffet. We'll see who shows up and joins us. Okay, coffee and course number 1, the parfait. This looks good. I went with the chicken waffles. I just said I'm gonna turn into a fried chicken by the end of this cruise, but that's okay. And then they had turkey bacon here, so I'll give that a shot. And then Karen got the steak and eggs, and I may be a little jealous. So technically this is brunch, so kind of lunch, so you can have dessert. Banana cream pie. And more coffee. And cookies. If you can't tell, I'm addicted to Shaq's chicken. It is so good. So I got this for lunch yet again. I'll probably only eat half of this and check out what is actually in the Lido to see if there's anything I want there. All right, lunch is now finished and I'm headed straight to respite, which is at 1:30 to 3:30. All right, it's respite time and we are off to hide some ducks. All right, respite's over. Here we are. We're grabbing yet another snack.
I have no idea what's wrong today, but there's no line.
0 line and it's a sea day. They must have hired some more people to work. I don't know. This is crazy. This is actually awesome. We were expecting to wait like 30 minutes for this. I actually don't even know what I want yet. So we were so excited to eat, we completely forgot to show you.
And I said I was only gonna have half, but it's so hard to stop.
We each got our own. So good. So good. Fries are good. Sauces are good.
Burger is
Good. And we have dinner in 2 hours. No regrets.
no. I'll just order something small for dinner.
Yeah.
Maybe.
We're done our burgers. Now we're checking out the pool area. It is pretty busy, but there's definitely loungers. It is 4 o'clock, so maybe some people are already done here for the day. It's pretty nice. We might find a chair ourselves and then hang out for a little while.
We'll be able to lay out.
Just had our first nap of the dinner. And then respite. See what else we get up to. Time for dinner. Done. We now have respite, and then I'm gonna do babysitting tonight. So Jill's on her own after respite, and maybe she'll go do the Love and Marriage show and film it.
We'll see if I feel like waiting in line
Can you film
though.
the whole thing so I don't miss it? Just like hold up your camera and just like film.
But I feel like I don't want to stand in line
I
for
think-
that show.
I think everybody watching this would love to watch
The entire Love
the
and
entire
Marriage.
Love and Marriage show.
But
let's
every
put it in this
show
video.
that we've been in on Carnival, they say that there's copyright issues, so we haven't been able to get any footage of that.
Yeah. So maybe you'll do that.
We'll see.
And
Or maybe I'll
decide
just
more
edit.
nice. This is a nice positive about this respite room. There is windows.
Lots of windows. It's very bright.
But dinner was good. Did you get any clips, Jillian?
Yeah, just my food.
What did you get?
Got the beef spring
Me
rolls.
too.
Then the whatever the beef was on the menu.
Me too.
It wasn't that good,
It was okay.
I thought. And then the banana cream pie.
I had banana cream pie at lunch, but that was
gonna say-
different banana cream pie.
Well, I was.
You need to finish the word. Where was your first kiss? When was your first kiss? And on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, what would you rate it?
So I finally got pizza. And they were just giving this one away. There was quite the line, and they said, anybody want this one? And nobody else wanted it, so I did grab it because I didn't want to wait in that line. That probably would have been 15 minutes. So first time getting pizza, I'll let you know how it is. Alright, it's now 11:10 and I'm headed down to bed. I've had quite the night since Rachel's been babysitting. I went to the Las Vegas show and then went to Love and Marriage just for a few minutes. The couples there seemed hilarious, and then went up to the top deck for the 80s glow party, and that was so busy. Again, I didn't stay too long before going to get pizza. It was actually really, really good, and the wait would have been about 15 minutes. I didn't wait in line. They actually had some pizza ready that nobody else wanted that kind, so it was delicious. I'm happy I got pizza. And now I'm headed to bed, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and Rachel and I will see you tomorrow for day number 5 on board.